In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a collage on an Instagram story on your Android or iPhone. This will be very easy and I'll show you exactly how you can do this. So step number one is to open the Instagram app on your phone and then you want to click on the story icon, okay? Okay, so next up, you can actually scroll through these different sections, right? You have create, you have live, you have normal, you have boomerang, you have layout, and that's the one that you want to use. So as you can see right there, with these, you can actually create a collage. So you can choose 6 pictures, you can choose 3, you can use 2 of them, 3 of them like that, or 2, or 4. Now you can use pictures from your gallery, okay? So you can use this, like you can select a picture. So for example, you can do that right there. You can then use that and then you can take a picture with this one. You can take pictures in live camera as well, like I'm doing right now, or you can select them from your gallery, but that's pretty much how you can do this. So once again, just scroll through these to layout, then choose the one that you want to use, and then you can add pictures from your gallery, or you can just take them right there. And that's it. So that's pretty much how you can do this. If this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.